When nearly 90% of currency in circulation in an economy is extinguished overnight, it is first and foremost a liquidity shock. A liquidity shock tends to impact certain sectors much more than the rest. So when we want to measure the economic impact of demonetization, it is perhaps important to measure the impact on sectors that get affected through liquidity shocks the most. In India, the three sectors that tend to get impacted the most are agriculture, manufacturing, and construction that also employ the most number of people. Using data from the Central Statistical Office of nominal gross value added GVAs of these sectors, it is possible to analyze quarterly GVA growth of these sectors before and after demonetization to come up with an estimate of the impact of demonetization. In the 3 to 4 quarters before demonetization, these three sectors were growing at a steady state of about 8%. In the quarter immediately after demonetization, this growth fell to 6.7%. In the subsequent quarter, it fell further to 2.5%. In absolute values, this means an output loss of nearly 1 lakh crores. That is, had there been no demonetization, and if we assume that these sectors could have continued to grow at the steady state of 8% in nominal terms, then because of demonetization, we've had an output loss in these three sectors alone of nearly 1 lakh crores in the 2 quarters post demonetization.